Eva Trades.
Welcome to Eva Trades, boys and girls. We gonna go look at some charts and then we're gonna go do some trading, so let's go. Round and round and round. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And trading a strategy. I want to say trade in a simulator, but my mouth keeps wanting to say trade in a strategy. That really doesn't make any sense. But welcome to Eva Trades anyways. We got us a little cowboy theme going today. We're going to ride on in, get us a little bit of money, and ride on back out in the sunset. All right, here we go. This is a test. So look at my progress today. In the simulator challenge, day 21, or this is day 22, but in 21 days, I'm up to $1,536. Yada, yada, yada. We're almost at the account all-time highs. $200 today is my goal. The game book rules: I'm done if I hit my max loss of $400. I'm done if I give back half after hitting the goal. I won't take more than 4 positions to start the day. I won't take more positions than my max loss allows. So now that I've read the rules and my brain understands, let's go ahead and take a look at the charts. So it is November 23rd in the simulator today. I'm going to go ahead and press play. And what do we have? I haven't even really looked at these yet. Make sure I'm recording. Okay, so on the 5-minute time frame, we've got higher lows and higher highs, and then the breakout, and now we have a nice move up with no support formed on that way up. So where will we pull back to? Where indeed? It's a tightening range. You can see that here. And so we have a break coming sooner rather than later. If you see that tightening range, see that? Okay. So it's definitely a tightening range. High, low, lower, high, higher, low, a little bit choppy. Bulls want to see a move and break back over 165, 162. Cheaper stocks, so keeping that in mind, these cheaper stocks oftentimes are a little trickier to trade. Inside bar on the 15-minute time frame, which means it's a 5-minute equilibrium, and it certainly is. GSUN. Let's look at the larger time frames here. So we have an hourly uptrend with a higher low and a higher high, looking for another higher low. Anything above 225 is a higher low. It's a double bottom, kind of, right here at 245. Finding support at 245. Bulls buying the dip at the moment. Bulls want to hold 245 and see that move back above 266 and up towards 278. Seeing some breakout here now on MANU coming up, breaking through 1683. Can we hold it? It's a mighty big move all the way up just like that to not have any consolidation. So I'd say look for consolidation, and that's what I'll be looking for. We have a pivot right here at 1663. So those are our levels to be watching. And I don't like to have too many lines. Let's look at the smaller time frames now. Let's see if we did consolidate. We are consolidating on the 1-minute time frame there. So this was that high of pre-market break. We have a new high of pre-market of 1690. Okay, 2 minutes to go till the market opens. Pulling back here. Anything above 1640 is a higher low on this pullback. So far we have a bear flag here on GSUN. Easier to see on the 5-minute. Note the high volume on this red candle. So we have our 5-minute high. I call this a higher low. It's, $1.50 also psychological, but high, low, lower, high, higher, low, Now we're breaking right here, so this could go any direction. We have enough room now on the 1 minute to actually form a higher low and a higher high. Bull volume coming in. So MANU turning into a red candle here on that 5 minute. We do have a pivot right there where we could bounce. All right, so anyways, looking for probably further consolidation on the 5 minute on MANU, especially if this candle closes with that long upper red wick. That is a bearish sign, but we'll see if it does close that way. Being cautious of a bear flag on GSUN. Bears want to see a lower low here. We have that low of pre-market, or well, not low of pre-market, but low of this current move. So on the 15 minute, keeping in mind that if we do bounce from here, anything below 266 is a lower high. Bears would like to see a lower high and a lower low, but we might see it break bearish right away here as the market is now open. Do we get an inside bar bear break on the 15? What would really be good if we got a bear break and a bull break. That I would like. So there's the bear break on GSUN. So that was that bear flag we were talking about. I'm looking at my candle ranges here on NRBO. Wow. So a bull break on NRBO on that equilibrium. And in 10 more seconds, I will actually be able to trade it. I might be looking to try to get in on a pullback. So I'm in once, and I will add if it gives me the chance. There I added. I'm also getting in over here on MANU. So now I'm in with my full max size. If I get stopped out on all these, I'll lose $400. Holding for the moment, selling half over there on NRBO, selling half on MANU, selling the other half on MANU, going and getting out here. So now I'm right on the day. So none of that worked out. It wasn't holding up. I wanted to get out. Didn't feel comfortable. I think I'll jump back in though on MANU. And taking a loss on it. So my initial gut feeling of getting out was correct. Looking to buy a dip on NRBO here. So we have an inside bar on the 15 minute on MANU. So trading in a range. These are risky trades that I'm in on both of these. We have these red candles to get over. But trading is risky, right? Nobody ever said it wasn't, so... Getting some movement there on MANU, but I mean, we broke the high of day, but we're not holding it yet. I'm just going to go ahead and take my loss there on NRBO. I took myself out early on that trade. Then I'm jumping back in it. And I'm getting back out because I don't like it. So I'm watching MANU. Some tricky, choppy price action this morning here. Jumping in MANU again. I'm just going to sell it right there. See if we get a pullback. Maybe I'll jump back in it. Actually going to get back in it there. Look and see if we get that break through the high. Seems like it's taking a long time to get there. I mean, we're at it, but I want to see it break through. There we go. There's the break. Let's see if we can move higher here. I'm just going to go ahead and sell it. Could have bought that dip there. I'll go ahead and buy it. See if we get a move back up again. I'll sell part of it there. Yeah, I don't know. I'll get out the rest there. I'm not feeling too good about that yet. So I'm at my daily goal. We're at the all-time highs on the account, and I could stop. But I think I kind of want to watch this a little bit just to see if we get some momentum. Look here on the MANU, we do have a higher low right now. The makings of a higher low at 1663. Choppy over here on NRBO, inside bar on the 5-minute. I'll buy the dip there. I didn't like that entry there on MANU. Just going to quickly sell over here. I'm going to go ahead and buy this here. Looks pretty good, I think. Sell half there. I'm going to hold the other half. I'll move my stop loss up to the bottom of that last candle. kind of whipping around. Just go ahead and take the profit. So I'm in NRBO here. Get in 3 times and move my stop losses up. That's good enough for me. I'll take the profit there. I wonder if we're going to break through 17 on MANU. I'm going to buy for the break. Sell part there. We hit 17, didn't quite break it. Got a high of 1701. I got back out. Rebuy the dip there. Got a little bit of a spread. It's just choppy and grinding. I'll rebuy the dip. Selling over there. Just making small progress here. Oops, I think I sold that a little too soon, didn't I? Adding at 1704. Looking for that move through 1711, 1713 rather. See if we can get up through 1714. There's 17. I'm just going to go ahead and take the profit on that next candle there. Look for maybe a little dip back to 10 or so. I'll go ahead and add at 10. Look for the move up over the high of that last candle. I'll sell half of it there. There's a nice move. I'll sell the rest there. I kind of lost a little on that. See, NRBO failed over there. That's what I was afraid of because we had these other upper wicks there. I'm going to sell that and look to get back in, maybe on a dip down to 17 like that. And now I want to see 25. See if we get up to 25. And then break through 26. I'll sell half there. I'm going to get back out there, maybe look for a little dip on it. There's a dip. There's another nice dip there. So my average is set 1710. Want to see a break over a high of 1726. We break 26, I might add. Didn't get the chance to add, but I'm going to sell there. I'm in still with one position. Looking for a little bit more. There we go. Let's see if we get a break above 40. There's 40. Breaking through 40. Go ahead and sell that. I'm sitting at $1,000. I think I'm going to stop right there. This one's just grinding higher, and eventually it's going to drop and I'm going to lose some money, but maybe we get up to 50. But all I'm doing is just buying the little dips on it. Eventually I'm going to take a loss, and I mean, that's fine. There's a new candle. Maybe I'll wait for it to pull back to like something. Tried to get that dip trade there, but I didn't get in where I wanted, so I'm going to jump back out. Maybe buy it there. Looking for the breakthrough 1750. Coming up to it. See if we break through. I'll sell half there just to make sure we book some profit. Really struggling to get up over 1750. Yeah, I'm going to get back out of that. So now I have a new 15-minute candle. So now the question is this where we top out? Maybe we bounce off of 1690 down here. We have a support down here at 1703. So it's kind of, this could be the backside of the move, and I'm not sure that I'd want to trade the backside. There's a dip opportunity. I'll buy that. Look to sell it fast. I don't even know if I made money on that or not. But I'll jump back in it and we'll see if we get a bounce. The low of that candle is 1706. I'm in it at 1710. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's going to bounce for me. Let's see if I can get in a little cheaper maybe. I don't know. Coming down to the VWAP $17 psychological. There's an inside bar. I'll buy that and look for the break. Well, it's looking like maybe it won't. Let's see if we get a move to 17. Oh, yeah, there we did. I'm in it twice there. Selling half. Selling the other half. Not really making a lot of progress on this. Jumping in at 1690. That's that level we were looking at. So see if we get a bounce from here. Sell half just to be protective. Move my stop loss up. Yeah, I see over here an RBO. Now this one's not really giving me see if we bounce from here. I want to see a breakout over 1714. There it is. So I'll sell it there. I'm watching NRBO over here. Sell half of it. I get out the rest there. Didn't really make any progress. All right, well, this video is getting kind of long, and it looks like to me we're kind of maybe on the backside of this move. We might see an equilibrium here on MANU. We have an inside bar on the 5-minute, but it looks to me like we're going to see further consolidation. So that's going to probably do it for me. I'm up $1,213 on the day. That's phenomenal. So once in a while, you get these breakout days. Took advantage of the opportunity when it came. So that's not too bad. So I'm definitely at my account highs. You can see sometimes once in a while I just kind of get into this rhythm, and it doesn't happen too often, but this was one of those days. I just kind of felt that rhythm. So 1200. There we go. Big, big, beautiful day. Now we have some cushion in the account, some room to work with, so if I pull back, I won't feel so bad. And that's going to do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you got some useful information out of this video, and if you did, hit the thumbs up button for me, pretty please. I'll talk to you later. Have a good rest of your day. Bye-bye.